The Japan Tranquility Home, with its black minimalist design and emphasis on comfort and nature, reflects several key historical and cultural elements from Japan's rich heritage. Here's how the home connects with Japan's history. 1. Minimalism and simplicity. Historical roots. The minimalist aesthetic in Japanese architecture has roots in Zen Buddhism, which emphasizes simplicity, tranquility, and the beauty of nature. This philosophy can be traced back to the Kamakura and Muromachi periods, where Zen principles influenced art and design. Design influence. The Japan Tranquility Home embraces this minimalist approach, using clean lines and uncluttered spaces to create a serene environment, allowing residents to reflect and connect with their surroundings. 2. Natural materials and harmony with nature. Cultural significance. Throughout Japanese history, there has been a strong connection to nature, as seen in traditional practices like tea ceremonies and garden design. The use of natural materials in construction and design speaks to this long-standing cultural value. Indoor garden. The inclusion of an indoor garden in the Japan Tranquility Home echoes the historical importance of gardens in Japanese culture, which are designed to evoke natural landscapes and provide a space for contemplation and relaxation. 3. Influence of traditional architecture. Historical context. Traditional Japanese homes, such as those from the Edo period, often featured sliding doors, fusuma, and tatami mats, promoting flexibility in space usage and a connection to the outdoors. Modern interpretation. The Japan Tranquility Home may incorporate elements reminiscent of these traditional designs while modernizing them for contemporary living, thereby respecting historical influences while embracing innovation. 4. Cultural aesthetics. Wabi-sabi philosophy. This traditional Japanese aesthetic values imperfection and transience, which can be reflected in the choice of materials and design elements that emphasize natural beauty and simplicity. Black exterior. The use of black in the home's design can also be linked to the historical use of blackened wood, yakusugi, in traditional Japanese architecture, which not only provides a unique aesthetic but also protects the wood from environmental elements. 5. Influence of historical events. Modernization. The Meiji Restoration marked a shift towards modernization, blending Western architectural influences with traditional Japanese elements. The Japan Tranquility Home represents this blend, showcasing how modern design can still honor Japan's cultural and historical roots.